Right, early morning start. We've got the Nissan, we've got the engine in the back. Didn't fancy putting the engine in the back of the Defender. So we got it all together last night, so it's all on. We got everything there. We adjusted the tappets, put the rocket cover on, connected up a few other things. We got all the spares. So it's now off to France. We got all sorts of bits and pieces. Let's go off to France and see if we can reunite the engine with the Range Rover Classic. Getting off the ferry. Engine soon to be reunited with his car. Now moving an engine French farmer style. So we got the pickup, swinging, the mini digger. Yeah, that's the pickup. And the plan is to get it in the old Rangey. The birds have kind of pooed on him in the barn, but he's all there looking good. So we got to get the engine on the floor first, put the flywheel on, and then we're ready. Right, we've got the engine in and it's mostly connected. We've just checked we've got oil pressure. We have to put some oil back down the oil filter and pump it through. So we've checked, we've filled up the oil cooler. We got that good. We've got a bit of a problem with the starter motor relay, but it seems to be working at the moment. So we're now ready to bleed the diesel. So I think we can have a go at bleeding the diesel, but it turns over. So yeah, we'll get the stuff ready, we'll have a go at bleeding the diesel, and then we'll see if it'll start. Fingers crossed. Okay. Right, we've just bled the injectors, so we've got diesel coming through the injectors. So Pascal's on the key, so we're going to have a go and see what happens. Okay, come on, Pascal. Alright, don't want to burn the starter motor out. Oh, we got some. Whoa, what was that? I think that's smoke coming out the exhaust. So it must have some diesel getting in there. Right, and probably from the heater plug. Okay, encore. Okay, a ver. Yeah. We haven't got the exhaust fully connected. We haven't got any water pipes on either. They've changed the dimension of the inlet on the water pipe. Right, encore. Chauffage.
Fume chaud.
Yeah, that's from the exhaust, right?
Ah, c'est normal. Échappement pas mis.
Right, try again. Encore. Okay, alright. Right, we're getting lots of fumes coming out the exhaust. So if we come over here and do it again, so it's slightly worrying because if we've got fumes, you would expect it to start. Encore. It's chugging diesel through, but it's not starting. Okay, alright.
Batterie faible.
Yeah, battery's getting low. Where we've used the battery, yeah, we could do a bit of brake cleaner. Right, we've charged the battery up again, so let's have a go again. Okay, come on. No, the relay. This relay's playing up. Someone's changed it though, it's a French relay. Let me try again. Yep. Alright. Encore. No. No. Dodgy relay. Right, we'll have to use the wire. Ugh. The hot wire on Range Rover. Right. Okay, ignition on, yeah? Chauffage. We've got diesel coming out. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. All right, try again. Ooh. Nearly. He's firing. Chauffage encore. Put the heater plugs on again. Here we go. Okay, well, it's nearly there. You can see all the fumes coming out. Right, gone in. Okay, encore. Oh, nearly. Encore. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh. Okay, give it a rest. Woo. Okay, let's try again. We fix the relay now. So, okay, encore. Whoa! Oh, that's sweet as a nut. We haven't got the exhaust connected, so it's a little bit loud. Let's try again. Encore, okay, commence. Take that out. Okay. So what? This hasn't been used since 2016. So 8 years off the road, our barn fine Range Rover Classic. We haven't quite got it moving yet. We've got to do the brakes next. I think the brakes are seized, but we'll do another video on that. But we have, with the VM motor, got it going. Now, I've got to connect the water pump. They changed on the 2.5 litre. They've got this multiple V, poly V type. But my alternator here has got the single V for the sort of old style fan belt. So I've got to get a new alternator pulley. We've got to get a few other bits and pieces, get the water system all on. I've got to fix the header tank. And then we can start moving it. And it'll be first time moving under its own steam. But for this video, that's it. So good luck. Range Rover Classic VM motor running.